Been privileged to work under one program called the MEX program. It's the Modern Energy Cooking Services. We have different partners that we are working with. We have ACTS, we have Kenya Power, we have Gamos East Africa, and we've been able to launch 4 hubs, electric cooking hubs, where these are demonstration centers where people can practically see what is happening.
Wow.
These within the we have
in different regions.
Yes, we have one in Nakuru.
Okay.
We have one in Wote, one in Makueni. The other one is in Kitui, and we are launching another one next month in Kakamega. So these are demonstration centers and awareness creation centers where people can be able to really see what is, or even demystifying the fact that people have that notion that electric cooking is expensive. Because you'll see that pressure cooker, and people need to be caveat. It's not the coils that we are talking about that we used to use in campers. We're talking about these modern ones, electric pressure cookers. We are talking about induction cookers. So, for example, I would give you a very good example. Like one token, how much? Is about 25 bob. If you have one electric pressure cooker that is rated 1,000 watts, that technically means it's about 1 kilowatt hour that you can, if you use it for 1 hour, you're able to use 1 kilowatt hour, which is equivalent to 1 token in layman's language. So it's equivalent to 1 token, which is 25 shillings, and you have cooked it
for 1 hour.
For 1 hour.
And surely, if we can do just a simple mathematics, the 2 kg charcoal, whatever, the one they actually
the gorogoro.
Gorogoro.
Yeah.
It costs around, is it 80 to 90?
It's way high because way high. Now access
it's more
to charcoal,
than 25 shillings. And for the viewer who is watching us, I know you now you can be able to see clearly what we mean by clean cooking, why it's important, and apart from just benefiting whatever is around you, it benefits you in terms of costs, even the economy in your household, your own health, and that should make enough reason to just embrace these new technologies.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the whole concept that we are trying to drive as also CCAK and also as government and also with other sector players is that people need to embrace some of these alternatives, fuels and technologies, cooking solutions that are out there, so that we can be able to at least move or transition people from where they are to the target by the government of 2028. So it's really a good thing, and also the Ministry of Energy has been able to develop a very good strategy. Right now it's one ongoing, which is the overarching strategy called the Kenya National Clean Cooking Strategy. So this is a strategy that will be able to make sure that everything that happens within the clean cooking space answers to the question or answers to the goal of modern transition by 2028. And within that, there are quite a number of studies that are that are ongoing that should be able to inform quite a number of strategic areas, be it on evidence-based materials, be it on electric cooking. So this whole range of strategies, and also there is one that was completed, which is the behavioral change communication strategy. So this is a strategy that is really important to really make people understand or even make mindset shifts, because there are people who are back there, they really know nothing else but firewood cooking, and if you cook ugali with anything else, or if you cook githeri with anything else, it can't meet the standard of you see. So you need to really work around that because that behavioral change is one aspect that people also need to be really put up to speed so that they can change
But
how they've been
Simon, let
doing
me
their
ask
things.
you, because you're saying the study was done, and most of the time when these studies are done, they just circulate within the elites. What are you doing to ensure that this information reaches the grassroots or the households, the one we are talking about, that they are not aware?
Yeah. So, like for example, with this strategy, something that was done last year. So it's a recent document. So we try to develop publicity materials for this awareness creation, utilizing road shows. So that we go to that, as we call it, the mashinani areas, so that these people can be able to really see this is happening. And this is also led because there are tracks that were commissioned during the Clean Cooking Week for these activities. So this is something that is really going to also make people aware when we're doing that. We are also trying to look at how we can be able to standardize some of these complex standards for easier understanding for people to be able to understand these are the standards within the clean cooking space in terms of technologies. So there is a wide range of activities happening. It might not take today, but the goal is to at least have a bigger transition rate by that 2028 as we're speaking.
Yeah. Wow, that's a positive, very, very positive strategy. And from where I sit, I'm asking myself, because you're in that space and you are at least aware of the trajectory. According to you, what is the future of clean cooking, especially in Kenya? If whatever we have, we are not able to utilize, how will the future look like?
I would say the future of clean and modern cooking within the space of Kenya is really bright. Looking at all the interventions that different players and even at the national level through the government, what they are really doing and working towards. And there are also so many innovations coming into play. So I would say if the trajectory that we are going with, we might be able to transition quite a significant number, of which I can't tell the exact numbers, but looking at different interventions, I would say we are quite privileged because of some of the things that are happening around. Yeah.
Wow, that's quite a piece of information that you, the viewer, will be able to utilize. At least you've known something that you didn't know, especially within your household.